Hello guys, my name is Luca from Unauthorized YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to switch between resolution on the new GoPro 11. You will think that it is very easy to switch between resolution, but this is not that easy. So first of all, you need to plug in the battery. As you can see, it has the original battery, the Enduro one, and after that you need to power on. So as you can see, so let's power on the GoPro 11, and you need to select the language, agree with the legal stuff, GPS on, back, skip setup. This you need to select the time zone. For me it's +2. Okay, select the date. Okay, an hour. Update your SD card because I have one SD card that is not that high at power. So as you can see, when you tap the video quality, it says at 1 speed, low light. You see, when you tap on the video, it says at 1 speed. You can swap between wide, super view, hyper view, linear, or linear with horizontal lock. But here we got the slow motion, but we can't change this resolution. So to change the resolution, you need to swipe down, go to controls. When you started, the controls is on easy, so you go to pro mode, and after this you will see here that you can change the resolution as you can with all others GoPro. 4K, 5.3, or whatever resolution you want. 4K 60, 4.3. So you select at 4K, you can go even up to 120 frames per second. So this is very good. Now go back, and you are ready to go. As you can see, the resolution now is changed to 4K. So what do you think? Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!